Hi, this is Doug Turner, and welcome to Building Paradise. Today we're out here at 183 Needlecast Lane in Watersound Origins, and it's basically a boom town here. We're here in front of a foundation that we're working on. Pretty soon there's going to be a house here right behind us. But at this point, we're at the stage where we've just laid the concrete foundation walls, as you can see. You kind of have to ask yourself, what are all these plastic caps that are orange that are on top of the steel? And that's right now for protection. At this stage, the steel is not ready to be turned down, and in case somebody was to fall on it, they'd have protection. The next stage we're going to do here is right in front of where I'm standing. Trucks are going to come through here and bring in some fill dirt to bring the floor level up to where it's going to ultimately be, and then we'll be ready for the rough plumbing and rough electric under slab. We're also going to be installing the pool shell, and so that's when we dig for our pool and then form and pour the perimeter of the pool. All the dirt that we're going to use out of the pool will go into this foundation to reduce waste. So next time, we're going to be a lot further along when we see you, but thanks for tuning in. This is Building Paradise. I'm Doug Turner, and we'll see you next time.